Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Tho. This is the data structure chapter 3 pointer. Okay, so these are just information you need to know. Each memory location has a unique address. Okay, what does this mean? Whenever you save something in the computer, okay, they save in some place and then they have an address like this. For example, whenever you type the assignments or something, then when you save in the computer, okay, computer save it and somewhere and then they save as a address here. This is like this address, something like this, okay? So whenever you say something, they save it in different address, okay? So whenever you request, okay, to get it from the, whenever you open back, and then they will take it from this address and then they will give it the back here, okay? So this is how the pointer is used. The pointer is a variable that contains the memory address of another variable. Okay, so everything, whatever we save, okay, save it in the computer and then they have an address. Okay, they assign address for everything, each, okay, things. This is a unary operators are like this star. Okay, so you will see in this chapter, okay, we are going to use the pointers and star. Okay, this is called unary operator. Okay, that returns the value of the variable. Okay, see, this is a star. Okay, it will return the value of the variable. Okay, so you save it there whenever you request. Okay, you use the unary operator. Okay, like this here. Then they will give you back, okay, whatever you have saved in the computer. Okay, so this is again just a basic things. Okay, you don't have to know about this because we are going to the deeper. And here, swapping strange. Okay, and here we use the C unary operators here. Okay, swapping strange. So it means that we have a strange. You already know that strange means the Seoul University correlation. We write it and then double codation. This is a strange. One, this is a strange two, S2. You can write it string, no problem. This is just a declaration. It is up to you. This is a data structure here. Then after that, we are going to change the position. The first one, the first range is going to be data structure, and then the second one is going to be the Seoul University code. We will change the positions. Okay, so when the first time output, it is said that the first range is the strange one, S1. The second range is the strange 2. Okay, this is just a simple output. But then after that, the output will be swap string. Swap string means that we are changing the place of the string. So you have to write these things here. In order to change, you must write these things. Okay, and here you have to put as a temp. Okay, so temp is equal to strange 1. And then now strange 1 is going to change to the strange 2. So strange 2 will be temp like this. So it means that strange 2 is going to be the strange 1. Okay, strange 1 is changed to strange 2. Now strange 2 is going to change to the strange 1. So that's why you needed this 4 line. So please, okay, try to practice using these things, okay, for other things also. Then now after, because of these things, when you are going to output the first range, it is going to be the data structure, and then second range is going to be Seoul University College. Okay, so let's go for the practical part, this one. Okay, look at this one. Seoul University College and data structure. Okay, so we are going to run these things. And then you will see here the output. What is the output here? So like this, the up one is just ignore, because since it is not compatible with this, this is a, like some kind of this warning is coming up, but it's no problem. So you just have to see this output. The first range is a Seoul University College. Then after that, you have a data structure. And after swapping, okay, because of this 4 line, then the first range become data structure, and then second range become the Seoul University College. Okay, they change their position of their strange. Okay, so let's go. Okay, defining a structure. Okay, we are going to use this statement, struct, struct. This is the structure, short form, structure. Okay, so this statement defines the new data type with more than one member. So which means that whenever in the program you use the struct here, inside here, you can declare more than one member. For example, when you want to bring the title of the book, authors of the book, subjects, okay, or ID, and so on. So many things you can enter here. So that's why we use the struct. This is called the structure statements. Okay, so again, this is just for your information. Let's go for the program here. Okay, and this program is written in C language. Okay, this is written in C language. Write a program to declare, okay, struct to store and display. So last time also I already explained what is to store. To store means that whenever the program runs, you are going to ask enter. You have to enter, the user have to enter. Because it is not written in the program, so you have to enter. Then after that, it will be saved, and then later they will say, this is what you enter. Okay, this is what it saved in their computer, whatever you enter. Okay, that's why they use here to store and display. There are two words here, to store and display. So to store means that you have to enter, the user have to enter, then after that they will display the result later like this. Okay, so 3 books with the name of the books, page number, and price, or price and page number. And here there is a price is here. Okay, and page number first. So the first book here is I enter C++, and then the price is 35, and pages are 100. Okay, the second book we have to enter DBMS, price is 33, and after that page is 123. Then the last book is MIS 29, price is 29, the page number is, the page of the 4 pages of the book is the book has 105 pages. So after you enter this, okay, the output will be given like this, and this is what you enter. It will be saved in the, okay, your computer. So it is coming out like this, C++, the price is 35.000. Why here is a 000? You already know that you declare the price as a float here. That's why, okay, the float, okay, because you declare as a float, that's why you have a point found here. Okay, then after the integer as a pages, so integer has just a number, integer number without the point. Okay, sorry. Even if you enter 35 here, come out with the point found because we declare as a float. Okay, so these are the character, and then this is the integer, so just a number. This is the output I have shown you. When you run this program, they will ask you to enter the 3 books information. Then after that, they will give you this thing. So again, this program is written in C language. Okay. So that's why we have here stdio.h. This is a C language header. Okay. Then after you run these things, okay, we declare here the name of the book, price, and pages. Because of the name, we have a character here, and float here as a price, pages as an integer. So this is structure. So this, I mean the program, we are going to use the structure statements, and then book 1, book B1, B2, and B3 here. Then when you run this thing, this is an output, like the same thing, cout is called printf. And the C program, cout is a printf, cn is a scanf here. Okay, you should know about this C program also. Okay, enter the names, price, number, price, and number of pages of the 3 books. When you run, this is coming fast here. You have to enter. The user have to enter. Then after we enter, sorry, and this is coming out, and this is what you enter and then take it. And here you have to know, what is this? Percentage S, percentage F, and percentage G. This is percentage S is stand for the range. Okay, for example, like the name, you are going to enter this thing, C++, and this is, we write the percentage range. Okay, and the C program. And what is a percentage F? F is stand for the float here. But for the integer, okay, the percentage D is written. Okay, so you have to know this is for string, this is for float, and then this is for the integer. Okay, integer is written as a percentage D. So only these things. So we usually use only these three things. Okay, this is for string, this is for float, and then this is for integer. Okay, this is for character string here. Okay, so these are the same thing here. This is the same thing here. Okay, so the first one is a name. You must put here, this is the pointer sign. Okay, and sign is the pointer sign in here. Okay, so in this chapter, we use the pointers and then a unary operator, the stars. Okay, so and here, everything you have to point it here, pointer. Okay, so the first one is a name, after the price, and then after the pages. Okay, and this is for book 1, book 2, and book 3. Then after you enter, then print F, output is coming. This is what you enter. Okay, so this is the same thing. What is the name? What is this here? \n. What does \n means? That it is going line one by one line down. After this, it will go line, one line, one line. So what is a \t? I believe you already know. \t stands for tab here. This is the space here, the tab, tab. After one thing, you have a tab, tab. Okay, so this is the. Then after that, and here, you don't have a pointer anymore. So make sure there is no pointer is needed. Okay, so let's go and run these things. Okay, so look at here again. Actually, this is a C++ compiler, so a little bit difficult to run the C program. I try to run it here. When we run these things, let's see, they have some warnings over there, but it's okay. This is just ignore this part. And then let's enter the name of the three books. For example, I will enter the C++ first. You can enter different name, no problem. And then the price is 29, 29. And then the pages have a 100. And the second book is like a MIS. Okay, the price is 35. And pages has a 110. And the third book is like GBMS. Okay, pages, how many page, that price is like, for example, 30. Pages is 105 pages. Okay, so I have already entered the information about the three, okay, books. Okay, names, price, and number of pages. Then after the enter, then this is the result, and this is what you enter. Okay, so again, as I say here, these are the tab here, okay, and then this is the float. Because we declare the float, that's why they put the dot form. Okay, so please try to run. Okay, again, this is a C language, okay, because in this subjects, you should know about the C language also. Okay, data structure, you can write it in C language also. Okay, let's go back to the slides again. Okay, so look at this question. And this question, also we are going to use the structure statements, okay? But this is structure as a function argument. It means that inside the program, we are going to enter the name of the books, okay? The book title, author of the book, and then the book ID, okay? And then we are going to only display. So when the program is run, only this is coming up. Okay, you don't have to enter anything because the information is already entered into the program over here. Okay, so please try to understand again this one. This is written in the C program because not C program, C++ program. because we are using the C out here. Okay, but we don't have a CN because we are not going to enter anything here, but we have a structure here, structure book. We use the structure statements. Okay, so this is there, we already know the heading part IO string. Okay, but and here we have another thing called C string because we are going to enter like this here. So that's why we have to declare the string here. Okay, then after that using namespace.ist. Before we have only two part and the heading, but now we have additional things because we are going to enter inside there like this string. So that's why we have to declare as a C string. Okay, then after that we have a structure statement here, books. Inside here we have a title. You already know the title. We declare as a character. The author are the name of the person who wrote the book. So that's why this is a Chan Mian. This is the title of the book. This is the person who wrote the book. Name of the person who wrote the book. Okay, then after the integer ID. Okay, so how you save it in the library or whatever it is. This is the book ID. For example, this is like the information saving in the library, the book ID. So that's why the ID has here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why we put the integer. So we have only character and integer in this program. Okay, and here we have a boy print book. Okay, so this is the addition things we have to write it here. Okay, so this part and this part, the same thing, this sentence here. So integer main, from this integer main is coming into here only. So these are the additional things we have to write it. Okay, before we have only the heading parts are include IO string using namespace std and then integer main, but these are the additional things. Okay, for this structure in pointer. So we have a structure here, book 1, and then book 2. Okay, we have a 2 books here. Okay, after that, structure copy. This is a CPY, is that we are going to the copy. Okay, the title is Learn C++ Programming. Okay, because we are going back here. Okay, and then book 1 author is Chan Mian, book 1 ID is this things. After that, book 2, we enter information about the book 2. Then we are going to print book 1 and book 2 and then return 0. So we have to call back again here, see out the book title. We have a book title, will be the book title here. And then after that, book author would be the book author. And then after that, book ID. Okay, so this is how they're a little bit longer. But if you try to, okay, understand, it is not going to be difficult. So please try to, this is the why print book structure, books book, these are the additional line, but it's the right written the same thing. Okay, so if you know how to write one book, then another book is just change the things here. Okay, then after that, this is the last output. We have a 3-line for each. Okay, so let's go and run these things. Okay, as you can see, this is the from the slides. Okay, to display the information about the 3 books using the structure as a function argument. Okay, so as I say here, the heading part, we have additional things here, C string, because we are going to enter the string here. Okay, then we have also here structure statements we declare before the main functions. Okay, after that we have a structure. Okay, we enter the information. And after that, these are the output here. So let's run. And see some of the error might be there. But and here, this is because of the C++, it is no error here. Sometimes if we use the C program here, it might show some error. So this is the book title here, Learn C++ Programming, Chan Mian, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second one is Telecom Billing, okay, Yakit Singha, and then book ID is. Okay, but the program is a little bit longer. So if you understand how to write one part, another one is just a copy changing the book to and this end. Okay, so we have some additional things in here. Okay, so please try to practice. Okay, you will get this program. You have to write with the additional modification for the midterm. Okay, for the practical test also. Okay, so let's go for the. Okay, this is a linked list. Okay, the last slides in these chapters. Okay, so the linked list means that there are different numbers of nodes in the linked list. Each node consists of two fields. Okay, the first field here, first field, or the data field, and then the second field or the next field, reference to the next node. This is how the linked list is. For example, this is the data field. This is a next field. It will point out the next one like this. Okay, so this is just a simple one of the part from the program, because the program is very long here. So this is just a the declaration part regarding the linked list. Okay, so from here we are not going to go detail about the linked list because the program is too long. So these are just a information how we are going to declare using the structure statements here. Linked list for storing football players with their goals for a football match. Okay, so how we are declare about their structure, and then we have a football player, that's why we have a player. Okay, then after that, inside the structure, we declare here, we already know this one, character is a name. Maybe you can declare if the name is too long, you can put 30 or 40 or 50, no problem. And then integer is a goal, how many goal? 1 goal, 2 goal, or 3 goal. So that's why we have integer. Okay, so the name and goal are the data here. This is pointing to the next field, name and goal, name and goal. Okay, and after the structure player is pointing to the next field. Then after that, we have a structure player, head and null. The last one is going to be the null. Okay, thank you.